Hi, Christy here from Killarney Metals, and today we're introducing our new spill containment platform unit. Work platforms are critical safety tools that protect workers and equipment from potential accident and damage. Our spill containment platform includes a durable galvanized steel drip pan with a fiberglass reinforced grating insert to elevate workers and/or equipment inside the pan. The heavy-gauge galvanized steel material used on the work platform unit stands up to the abuse of industrial environments and resists corrosion. The FRP grating used on the platform is colored safety yellow for high visibility, resists corrosion, and will not crack under pressure. Work platforms come in various sizes and may be used in commercial and industrial applications around your factory, warehouse, or plant. Thanks for watching. For more product information and made in the USA innovation from Killarney Metals, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out killarneymetals.com. Stay safe, and we will see you next time.